In the last video, we learned how to work with CSV files. Now, in Lesson 4, we're going one step further. Let's learn how to create folders and files dynamically using Python. Let's get started. We begin by importing the OS module. This gives us access to operating system level functions. Then, we check if a directory called reports/2025 exists using os.path.exists. If it doesn't, we create it using os.makeDirs. Let's run the code. Once you do, you'll see that a folder named Reports is created, and inside it, another folder called 2025. Perfect. Our directory is now ready. Now let's create a text file inside this folder. We use with open, just like in previous lessons, this time targeting the path reports/2025/report.text in write mode. Then we simply write the text yearly report 2025 into it. Let's run this part. After running it, you'll find a report.txt file inside the reports/2025 folder, and it contains the text we wrote. And that's how you can create folders and files in Python, all automatically. In the next lesson, we'll talk about how to add log entries with timestamps to a file. So make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in Lesson 5.